The road is closed for repairing. सड़क मुरम्मत के लिए बंद है. The road is closed for repairing. Rest everything is fine. बाकी सब ठीक है. Rest everything is fine. Wedding is only 5 days away. शादी सिर्फ 5 दिन दूर है. Wedding is only 5 days away. Examination will take place after 2 days. इम्तिहान 2 दिन बाद होंगे. Examination will take place after 2 days. What sort of person is Kamal? कमाल किस तरह का आदमी है? What sort of person is Kamal? Why are you so late today? आज तुम इतने लेट क्यों हो? Why are you so late today? This is indeed good news. ये तो सचमुच अच्छी खबर है. This is indeed good news. We too are helpless. हम भी लाचार हैं. We too are helpless. That is what you always say. आप हमेशा यही कहते हो. This is what you always say. He is out and out a rascal. वो पूरा का पूरा बदमाश है. He is out and out a rascal. How is your business? काम कैसा चल रहा है? How is your business? Better than before. पहले से अच्छा. Better than before. By God's grace all are fine. खुदा के फजल से सब ठीक हैं. By God's grace all are fine. Your work is praiseworthy. आपका काम काबिल तारीफ है. Your work is praiseworthy. You are late by half an hour. आप आधा घंटा लेट हो. You are late by half an hour. He is no better, no worse. वो ना अच्छा है और ना बुरा. He is no better, no worse. Rice is cheap. चावल सस्ता है. Rice is cheap. What dishes are cooked today? आज कौन कौन से डिश बने हैं? What dishes are cooked today? That was not my intention at all. मेरा ये इरादा बिल्कुल नहीं था. That was not my intention at all. That was not my meaning at all. मेरा ये मतलब बिल्कुल नहीं था. That was not my meaning at all. इन sentences की आप खूब प्रैक्टिस करें और फिर इनको अपनी बातचीत में इस्तेमाल करें.